Hi, my name is Hadi Erfani. My speech 5 content assessment, waste management, and the impact of sustainable development goals in applied modeling. Introduction. In in assisting the 5 continents of Asia, Europe, America, Africa and Australia with the waste management method and use of sustainable development goals related to these issues and the impact of using mathematical modeling to predict new economic solution in creatively solving environmental problems by 2030. The impact of sustainable development goals and their role in solving environmental problems. Mathematical modeling to predict the next 20 years of waste management. If we can compare common goal for 5 contacts and the amount of data they recycle, we can understand which contacts produce more and needs to obtain the latest technology from advanced countries. Sustainable development goals can be target when they consider a common law for the world. Mathematical modeling can only predict the future years, which is a good solution for long-term goals. Suggestions for using artificial intelligence. The use of artificial intelligence can be a transformation for connecting the 5 contacts together and using the sustainable development goals for the words. Environmental communication and mathematical modeling to predict the future of recycling and waste management and reduce environmental risks and create a joint program through artificial intelligence for sustainability and innovative solution to reduce hazardous materials and use environmentally friendly materials for reuse in the environmental assessment cycle. Thank you for considering thank you for considering my presentation. Hadi Erfani, Department of Chemical Engineering, Islamic Azad University, Central Tehran Branch, Tehran, Iran. Thank you so much.